Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ella here as always. If you're new here, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome back as well. So today's video is gonna be this amazing, beautiful, gorgeous, attractive hair right here. So you guys, I got this hair from Soku hair on Aliexpress, and this is actually like my first time getting locks from Aliexpress. I always got my hairs from Amazon, like my protective styles are always from Amazon. So this is actually the first time I am getting locks from Aliexpress, and you guys, I am not disappointed at all. This hair is so cute. This hair is beautiful. This hair is, this hair is attractive. This hair is everything good. This is beautiful. As you can see me smiling right here, it shows that I love everything that is going on around me right now. So this hair is from Soku hair on Aliexpress. So all the details and information you need to know about this hair is going to be on the description box below, and I'm actually going to be putting some of the things on the screen for you to see as well. So they do send me 8 packs of their distress butterfly locks. You guys, this is in color 1B and the length is 20 inch. You guys, this is so cute. It is not that heavy. I got the 8 packs. On my head I have 7 packs right here. Amazing, right? There's 7 packs of hair. So if you do not want your hair to be this full, you can as well go ahead and use like 6 packs or even 5 packs. So I want my hair to be super full, as you can see, and I got what I wanted with 7 packs. This hair is everything good, you guys. This hair is beautiful. This hair is, I love it. I love it. So let's just go ahead and jump onto the tutorial video, and I'll see you all later. And yeah, if you're new, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Got to the end of this video. So as you can see, here is the final result. This is amazing. This is beautiful. This is gorgeous. I love my hair. I love my hair, and I know you also love it. So you guys, here all the details about this hair is down on the description, so definitely make sure you check them out. I'm gonna be leaving all the details you need to know about this hair on the description box below. Make sure you check them out. And yeah, if you've watched this video to this very point and you've not subscribed to my channel, like, come on, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit on the red subscribe button down below to support your girl. Yeah, hit on the red subscribe button down below to be part of this amazing family. Like, comment, share with your friends. Like, some of your friends might want to rock this on Christmas Day. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's basically all for today's video. Follow me on Instagram to get more updates. Follow Soku Hair. Make sure you go to their website and place your order. This hair is affordable, right? It is so affordable, so go place your order. And yeah, that's basically it for today's video. So y'all know that I love you guys, right? I love you guys so much. Keep supporting your girl, and till next time, I will see you all. Stay safe, stay beautiful, stay amazing, and till next time, I'll see you all.